Well, hey there, and welcome back to everyone. On the heels of Rob's Italian win to get him up to that 32-time real money, only domestic and international trading champion status, the only one on earth that we know, well, that dovetailed right into an incredible Wealth 365 summit where Rob showed us the tools he used to make those two trading competitions in Italy winners for him and get him up to that 32-time champion status. Now, that was inspirational to me, and I'm hopeful that you saw during the summit where I came out to you and took Rob's teachings, tried to build on that to help teach you as well the insights and strategies that I was looking at, because his win was inspirational to me. The tools that he gave us on top of that have really helped me create my edge in markets this week. So the Champion Trend Pack, sorted and identified through the power scanner, then applied on a multi-time frame basis as I started to teach you through the summit sessions I did, was where my edge was found. Now, Rob's looking forward to being back with you and giving you videos just like these. I'm here today to tell you that my inspiration that came off of his wins and how he brought them together during the summit, showing you his live trades, well, that's what helped me give me an edge in markets this week. Now, we started off this week with the S&P 500, the SPY, in a spot where effectively a move up towards highs that we saw in April. We're still not going to clear the highs that we made back in Feb. A move down, very likely based on a stretched market, but one that did not necessarily have to break the market down. And what we've seen this week is effectively that. I'm going to take you over to a live instance of my wealth charts here for you, which, by the way, you may find is running a truckload faster, and it was already lightning fast. Well, why is that? Well, with all of the wonderful new wealth charters that have come on board through the Wealth 365 Summit, we've added even more high-powered servers to our platform. When you look at the power scanner on the left-hand side of your screen over here, I've got it broken out in a multi-time frame basis on a daily 4-hour, 1-hour time frame with a summary of the key technical tools that Rob brought to us, showed us how he used them during the trading competition, and of course in his live trading throughout the week in the summit. Now, when you take a look at the daily 4-hour and 1-hour chart, we can see that we've got a big bullish push up. We're in a champion cross buy zone. We're in a champion trend buy zone, very visually impactful and easy to see. But we are running up into highs over here where there's resistance around that $415 area. And for the SPY, going back a little further over here, the higher point is in and around that 418 area back from February. Do we have the acceleration and gusto to make a move that can actually leverage on top of what Amazon gave us after hours today and push up towards those highs? Well, the technical tools support a potential rise continuing, but breaking through all of that cluster of resistance is something the market has to prove to us, especially through the inflation data. Now, during the course of this week in the active trader room, I had the privilege of doing live trades, as I do regularly in the active trader room, in front of members. Now, everything that you're going to see on screen for my domes in just a moment are not all taken in front of members, but mostly are. I'm going to give you a view of that in just a second over here, but I want you to note that we left today with the hourly chart in a buy signal state, clearing resistance, 4-hour chart with the potential to rise, but still has to break through the champion trend resistance zone, and there's a cluster of resistance on negative momentum shifts rising all the way up to that 415 area. And of course, a target area would be getting right back up to retest those highs. Inflation data pending tomorrow. The view is an attempt is likely. A breakout that is clear and easy to identify with all of those challenge levels is not something that I see just as of yet. I am more bullish than bearish, but quite frankly, I'm not a bull, I'm not a bear. I just want to see what's really there. And what's really there is a marketplace where the pivot levels that I've identified for members, we came down below the bearish line for the week, that 407 line. We pulled back above it, and we've managed to see the SPY actually close above our line in the sand. that's more bullish than bearish, and the technical tools validate that out. Now, in the front half of the week, Monday, Tuesday, more looking at shorts. In the back half of the week, more looking at longs. And here's a summary of some of the trades that were done on my domes. These are real, not hypothetical. And again, I cannot tell you that past performance is going to indicate future. It's not an indication of past track record either. Make sure you understand that you got to take trades that are in line with your risk tolerance after considering all of the risks and consulting a registered financial representative, and I am not one. But over the course of the week, from Monday through Tuesday, over to yesterday and then again today, grossing a little over $2,000 in trading using what? Using the scanning tools to help me identify and then evaluate when the moments are where trading is more opportune on the long and short side. Now, I'm very much looking forward to those of you that are going to be joining us for this Saturday's educational session. We're going to be doing a mega session on Saturday for wealth charters and active trader room members. It's going to cover the multi-time frame approach that you're seeing on screen right now. It's going to cover how getting in and getting out on an intraday and swing basis can become higher probability, and much, much, much more. Looking very much forward to focusing in on scanning, focusing in on execution, on trade plans, and teaching you how I'm using the tools. Again, what an inspiration to have 32-time champion Rob Hoffman come back home with another win for us and teach us how he's using these tools to win the competitions, showing him how he used it during the week, and now passing that inspiration on to others like myself to go out there and get some done as well. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and thank you for watching. Bye for now.